In today's video, I will be covering a topic, degree of static indeterminacy for plane truss. Plane truss, and this is the continuation of the last video which I have uploaded. So now for the plane truss, okay. So this is the basic diagram of the plane truss. Here each members has its internal forces, okay, like this. And like this, either it can be a compression or it can be a tension. I'll write it down here. Each member has its internal forces. Now to find the static indeterminacy of the plane truss, we have a formula, that is ds is equal to m plus r minus 2j. Okay, so this is the basic formula of finding the static indeterminacy of the plane truss. Here m is equal to number of members and r is equal to total number of reaction, and j is nothing but the number of joints. Okay, so now I'll give an example here, or we'll solve a problem for the plane truss. So I'll draw one truss here. Okay, here both the sides are hinge supports. Now here what we have to do is find the degree of static indeterminacy, okay, that is ds for this plane truss. Now we have a formula with us, that is ds is equal to m plus r minus 2j. So in this question, so here m is not known to us, r is also not known to us, and j is also not known to us. So from this diagram we have to find those values. Okay, so m is the m is number of members here. So in this diagram, how many members are there, we have to count. Member is nothing but, see, this is a joint and this is also a joint. From here to here joint, it's a one member. So now we have to count. Okay, so here this is one member, this is two member, this is three, this is four, from here to here it's 5, from here to here is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so in this question we have 10 members, so just write 10. Now r is what? Number of reactions. So here see, it's a hinge support. For a hinge support we have 2 unknown reactions, and here also it's 2 unknown reactions. So total number of unknowns is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here in this question we have 4 unknown reaction. Now we have to count the number of joints. Number of joints here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this question we have 6 number of joints. Now what we have to do, we need to just put those values in this problem. Okay, so now here m is what? 10 plus r is 4. minus 2 into 6. So we have a value is total value is 8. So what we got, ds value is 8. So therefore the degree of static indeterminacy for this type of plane truss is 8. Again we'll solve one problem. Okay, suppose here see, okay, here this supports is hinge and this end is also hinge support and it's a roller support. So now we have to find ds. Okay, so we already know the formula for finding the ds value here, that is d is equal to m plus r minus 2j. Okay, so here just you have to count the m, r and j value from this plane truss. So number of member here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So here we have 8 number of members and the reaction, as this end is a hinge support, okay, and this is also hinge. So we have 2 unknown reaction here and here also we have 2 unknown reaction and it's a roller support, so we have only 1 unknown reaction here. So total number of reaction here is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have 5 unknown reaction in this figure. So now number of joints is 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have 5 number of joints. Now just put those values in this equation. Then m is equal to 8 plus 5 minus 2 into 5. So we'll get the value around 3. Therefore ds for this type of structure is 3. Okay, so and again I'll show you one more example here. Suppose, okay, this is a plane truss. This is a plane truss where one side is hinge and another side is roller. So we need to find the ds of this plane truss. Now again we have a formula with us, that is ds is equal to m plus r minus 2j. Here m is equal to how many members? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Member is 10, I guess, or no, 10 11. Here another one member is there, no? So we have 11 member and r value is, r is, this is hinge support, so there will be 2 unknown reaction, and for the roller there will only 1 unknown reaction. So total number of reaction is 3. Now j is what? Number of joints here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So number of joint is 6. So now we have to put all the values in this formula. So 11 plus 3 minus 2 into 6. So we'll get the value around 14 minus 12, so 2. Therefore ds for this type of plane truss is equal to 2. Okay, so in the next video I will be covering a topic for the plane frame. Okay, plane frames. Thank you.